How to change Instagram ownership. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile page. So tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner, and on your profile page again tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner. Here you will get an option as account center, so tap on it. Here scroll down a bit, then tap on personal details, and under this personal details there is contact info, tap on it. Now to change the Instagram ownership, all we have to do is change our email address. For that, tap on the email that you would like to change. Now here you will get a two option, either to confirm this email or to delete this email. Now to change the Instagram ownership, you can simply delete this email, and after you delete it, you will be asked to enter or provide your new email address. So delete this email address and then provide your new email address to change the ownership. Now before you delete, you have to confirm your account, so type in your password, then tap on continue. Now once you verified, your Gmail account will be deleted and you can add your next account to change the ownership. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.